it's Victoria here from VMove Estate Agents, and I'm on an iPad, so it's slightly, my face is massive, but I'm at Old Pottery Barn in Bentham, and it's absolutely beautiful, and I just wanted to take you upstairs and show you this incredible bath. So I'm going to flip you around. I'm going to try and flip you around, if I can just do this. Everything's so big on iPad. So we've got some beautiful Osborne and Little wallpaper here with the little acorns and this incredible striped carpet. But it leads to this gorgeous, gorgeous room. Look how fantastic that is. Look at that door. So the room itself has you can see down the valley actually through that window, has a beautiful feel to it. Very Laura Ashley. Look at that bath. So that bath has probably the best view in the house. I'm going to show you from here. I'm not going to get in the bath and sit down in this lovely chair while it steadies itself. The iPad's not quite as good as a phone, so you can just see out, up and over the moors, and there is a little tickle of sunshine on that grass. I'll take you out here. So they have wild horses that roam about on the moors. And I came here one night and just sat in this lovely window seat. I came here one night and just above that hillside just there was the most glorious, massive blood moon. It was incredible. And all the heather on the moors was just glowing, this beautiful haze of rose. It was beautiful. So the interesting thing is, if you sit in this incredible, freestanding, amazing bath, you get to have a view, well, not quite like that, let's get down